Hey, my name is Iris, and I'd like to take you on an educational journey with me. Follow me as I immerse into a rural Costa Rican lifestyle, where I learn about environmental restoration and permaculture in the tropical wetlands at Refugio Tinti. La Gamba is a village with 700 inhabitants in the Puntarenas province of Costa Rica. This area is known for the Piedras Blancas National Park and its biodiversity. Imagine a paradise of lush flora and thriving fauna where dense rainforests seamlessly blend with the countryside. I wanted to learn about nature restoration because the alarming truth is that our home, planet Earth, has lost more than 50% of its biodiversity since the 1970s. A few years ago, the 13 hectares that now flourish as Refugio Tinti, an oasis of ecological richness and biodiversity, were plagued by toxic soil. This unfortunate state was a result of years of intensive rice monoculture and widespread cattle farming, practices deeply ingrained in the region. Meet Esteban as we delve into the daily routines at Refugio Tinti, where people's lives intertwine with the beauty of permaculture. This ecological haven not only offers a fresh start for the local flora and fauna, but also serves as a remarkable opportunity for local families to embrace the principles of sustainable farming and restoration. Now, let's explore the factors that contributed to the swift recovery of this land. First up, Tithonia diversifolia, also known as the Mexican sunflower. This plant has great potential in raising soil fertility as it grows quickly and is an affordable option to expensive synthetic fertilizers. It helps to increase plant yields and soil nutrients, mainly nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. That being said, let's chop and drop.
Bueno, esta es la etapa final cuando llenamos el estañón. ¿Puedes ver?
Next, let's explore biochar production with Max. Take a look at this container, designed to produce this valuable substance. Biochar, in its purest form, is the result of pyrolyzing organic material, a process that involves thermal decomposition in a low oxygen environment. Through the application of intense heat and restricted airflow, the material transforms into a carbonaceous substance known as biochar.
Mucho calor hacia el exterior y se concentre la temperatura en el barril, ¿verdad? Con la madera. Bueno, está este carbón. Lo interesante es que como lo dejamos, así se desintegra. Hasta piezas muy pequeñas conservan la misma. Y tiene la. Esto es el proceso final del carbón. No importa, normalmente utilizamos maderas de hasta 2 pulgadas de grueso, de diámetro, y preferiblemente en trozos cortos para poderlo acomodar en el cilindro fácilmente. También tenemos fibra de coco. Nos damos cuenta cuando es un buen carbón por su color y por sus sonidos. Y podemos observar que está todo consumido, la leña.
However, it is the remarkable porosity of biochar that truly distinguishes its worth. Its multitude of minuscule pores enables it to efficiently absorb water along with dissolved nutrients, preventing their runoff into groundwater and reducing nutrient leaching. Moreover, when biochar is charged, by soaking it in compost tea or other nutrient sources, it has the capacity to absorb and slowly release these vital nutrients when added to the garden. Now, let's explore the wonders of hot compost with Mauricio. This accelerated composting process typically takes around 18 days to complete. To create hot compost, you will need 3 key components: brown or carbon materials such as chipped wood, green materials like organic kitchen scraps or fresh cut leaves, and black materials, manure from sheep, cow or horses. Remember to incorporate compost tea and regularly turn the compost pile. The benefits of hot composting are immense, providing a rich array of plant nutrients for your garden.
Aquí estoy poniendo la capa superior del carbón. Eso funciona con dos mezclas, que es nitrógeno y materiales verdes como algas, lirios. Y el carbón sería serrín o arroz, todo material seco. Y esto si da el material de nitrógeno, se puede utilizar las cacas también, todo material verde, bananos también, y así funciona el compost.
But wait, what is the so-called compost tea? So, crafted by combining high-quality compost, molasses and water, it thrives in an environment with shelter and proper aeration. This remarkable elixir is a catalyst for plant growth and effectively repelling pests. Watch as Max demonstrates the application of compost tea, harnessing its organic properties as a natural fungicide and pesticide to safeguard plants.
Leonie, ¿está aquí?
Sí. Please allow me to introduce you to Mario and Leonie, two extraordinary water buffaloes. Pedicure time. Their hooves prevent them from sinking too deeply in the mud, so they can move about in wetlands and swamps. By feasting on water plants, these magnificent creatures act as natural ameliorators, attracting birds, reptiles, and transforming the landscape into a center of biodiversity. While these water buffaloes possess gentle temperaments, they are not easily tamed. However, Mauricio has gained a strong reputation as the buffalo whisperer of La Gamba, showcasing his unique ability to connect with them. In the lush tropical wetlands of Costa Rica, permaculture brings forth a harmonious approach to farming and land management. By implementing sustainable practices such as agroforestry and organic gardening, permaculture offers a multitude of benefits such as improved soil fertility and enhanced ecosystem resilience. This transformative approach not only nurtures the land, but also cultivates a sustainable future for generations to come. Moreover, through reforestation efforts, permaculture helps establish vital corridors, connecting fragmented habitats and enabling the free movement of wildlife. So, as we conclude this immersive Costa Rican adventure, I hope you have relished the journey and got valuable insights from the tropics. May the spirit of Pura Vida resonate within you, embracing a life full of vitality and appreciation for the wonders of our natural world.